Hi, welcome to Baldy Reviews. Today we're going to be reviewing the One More quad driver in-ear headphones. Let's open it up. Here are the One More quad driver in-ear headphones, high-res audio. These things are pretty cool from what I've been reading on reviews and online. Let's slide it out of this little sleeve that it comes in. And this is a really cool part right here. Look how beautiful this box is it comes in. Just screams out high quality. It's even got a little metal badge right here. Such nice packaging. Hopefully the headphones are just as well made. So you can see here on the left side of the case, there's some artwork and some math there that I'd never be able to solve. Maybe some of you can. On this side here, we've got the headphones. Looks like a splitter jack. I'm not sure what that is. I'll have to look into the actual manual and see what this is here. It has a ton of different earbuds that you can replace and fit so it feels really comfortable in your ear. And it looks like a little case right here for it. I'll take off the plastic sleeve that comes on it. Yeah, wow, look how many different sets of earbuds come in there. And this actually slides out. Looks like some solid black ones, which are more of like the traditional kinds. These gray ones here, I haven't seen a design like that before. Maybe that has something to do with the different quality too. Let's find out here. Comes with a sticker. Looks like an advertisement for other things they have too. And here's your user's manual here. I'm curious. Right, here it is. Nope, just replacing the tips. Nope, it doesn't tell us what that is. Let's find out. Looks like some type of splitter of some type, or an adapter for more audio signal with a little hole right here. The camera will zoom in here. There's like an audio port right there too. Interesting. Right here, like I said, you've got the big audio jack. I don't even need to pull that out. And then this case. Let's go ahead and take these headphones out and see what the cable looks like. I want to tear the cables here. There we go. So as you can see, these are metal construction. You obviously have the volume up, volume down button, answer calls, and mute button as well. The cable itself is kind of interesting. It's not a threaded or weaved cable. Seems like something this expensive would come with those. It's almost just like a clear silicone wire where you can actually see the cable through it. Interesting. And then the actual audio jack itself is metal as well. Let's pull the actual buds out. Very, very heavy earbuds. They've got a really cool little red design in there too, red paint. They are very heavy. I feel like they've been made of like a rare metal or something. They do feel really well built, and they've got this really nice red paint design on the inside. Let's see if I can get the camera to adjust to this. There we go. Very nice looking. Well, I'm gonna find an earbud that fits in my ear good, and I'll let you know how they sound. All right, so I've got them in right now. My voice sounds super loud. It's really echoey. It almost sounds like it doesn't have noise cancellation at all. Really weird. I'm gonna try some music first. And we'll do some hip hop and some rap. Turn it down first so it doesn't blow my eardrums out. Very clear right away. Let me skip to some louder noise. The sounds are very separated. It's not mixing together like you would notice in a cheap set of headphones or earbuds. You can tell the different instrumentals, the lyrics, everything sounds fantastic. Heavy bass, not too much to where it's shaking your ears, but sounds really deep and nice. Voice is very clear. Now I'm going to try a podcast, see how the actual audio sounds with their voices only. There's a little low, sounds like you can actually hear the audio in the entire place. It's over their voices. It's very, very quiet, but the voice is crystal clear. And that was from a Joe Rogan podcast itself. Yeah, absolutely crystal clear. I like these a lot. These are really nice headphones. Not too crazy expensive, but they are definitely more on the premium side. I would recommend them. They sound nice. They look great. I would buy them. Absolutely. Thank you very much for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe if you'd like to see more videos like this and more reviews on other products as well.